Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we have an M1 MacBook in for diagnostics for non-responsive trackpad and keyboard. Customer has stated that trackpad won't respond to touch and some of the keys on the keyboards are non-responsive, but upon investigation I'm noticing that there is signs of water damage to the trackpad and the data board that controls the trackpad and the keyboard. As this is a diagnostic I'm doing, I'm gonna be checking for further signs of water damage and advise them on if it's possible to be repaired or for it to be replaced. However, given the fact that this is the newer version of the Apple MacBooks, it's best to replace the keyboard and also the trackpad due to how extensive the liquid damage seems to be so far. One of the main components I'm going to be checking mostly for is the trackpad, because that seems to be the area where the liquid has gotten to mostly. Now, upon removing the trackpad, I realized that this trackpad has extensive liquid damage that warrants a replacement.